Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody is doing well. This is Mohammed Zaman again from BrightMind Next. I'm actually traveling today. I'm here in Wall Street, the very famous Wall Street. I'll show you a few places here around. On my left hand side, it is very famous Trump building, 40 Wall Street. On my right hand side, you get to see a lot of financial institutions right here. All the fun stuff happen here. I would say this is the financial capital of the world, or the heart of the world. We're gonna go there in a moment. But I want to talk to you about one thing. I mean, you can see the news came out this last few weeks with the Kimi K2, with the latest model open sourced by OpenAI. OpenAI has open sourced the ChatGPT models that we very fondly see it. A lot of you already know I have done the Olama install in your Docker container, and now you can actually install the OpenAI models, and the OSS model has been published. So if you go to OpenAI, you get to see number one on top because everybody is doing this one. And the version that you would like to install is not the 20 billion parameter. I mean, the 20 billion parameter version that only need 14 gigabyte of RAM. And this is unbelievable. This is a quantized model, and you get to use all the reasoning and the things that you love and something you wanted to do. Okay, I'm gonna move to the other side and get to New York Stock Exchange and talk a few more minutes, and then afterward we're gonna finish it up less than 5 minutes today. Thank you. Hold on, hold tight. I'm actually walking towards the stock exchange at this moment. It's unbelievable. You can see there is a wedding happening. You can see the bride in my back, and right in front of New York Stock Exchange, the wedding's happening. What I was talking to you about is the OpenAI models being opened up, and ChatGPT that we are very fond of. Now that open source concept of open source being the mainstream enterprise application has been already established before. GenAI models with Deepix coming in, and with the LLaMA from Facebook, from Meta, that was released very early on, Mistral providing the coding component of it. All of those things are tremendously a major progress and major update for anybody in the GenAI world. In fact, if you don't have open source, you truly can't harness the disruptive innovation as fast as we can. So everything has to be open sourced out, because you wanted to customize a little bit. You wanted to do a little bit modification that changes, and then you need to know that code. And unless you know the code, you can't do much. So these are the things that are really good for the whole industry, as specifically on the GenAI side, because there's so much thing you can do. It is infinite possibilities. So with that, I mean, behind me you can see the very famous church as well, and we are right in front of also a World Financial Center and World Trade Center as well. I'm going to show you quickly New York Stock Exchange. I just you're seeing the New York Stock Exchange right here, and you get to see the weddings happening right on the in the staircase. A lot of other people are here. This is a very big tourist. I'm here for a meeting, and I'm walking, passing by. I wanted to touch on one more thing. If you have not embraced GenAI with all those open source tools, you are missing out a lot of stuff. You are, and you kind of like have to start looking at it from different perspective. The perspective is you want to build something, and you want to build something really good. You want to build something positive, and you want to make sure that it impacts everybody positively as well. Not only that, once you learn something, because it's very early stage, a lot of things don't work. You have seen some of my demos. I tried to do it and it's not working, but we get to make it work. And so when you make it work and there are nuances that you figured out, then let's spread the word and let everybody know that this is how it's gonna work. So with that, build something amazing, do something fun, as well as enjoy, and learn something new every day. With that, I want to thank you. I'll see you later on at some point, and we're gonna continue building this amazing disruptive journey. We're gonna be part of it. Take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.